Ionized alkaline water can be made just out of your ordinary source water, cold water, and the beauty is that we can purify the water first and getting on the other end quality water out that is even better than most mountain spring water. How does the water ionizer work? Cold water comes in through filter 1, goes then through filter 2, and then runs through the ionization chamber. There we apply electric current, DC, plus and minus, and therefore the minerals in the water go either to the plus or to the minus pole. And depending on what kind of minerals they are, they go to opposite poles. It happens to be that we can take advantage of the alkalizing minerals, which go to one pole, and the acidic forming minerals go to the other one. Like calcium, magnesium, potassium, they go to one pole. Sulfur, fluoride, chlorine, they go to the other. So by that we can separate out the mineral content in the water and getting alkaline and acidic water. Depending on the charge of electric current that's applied, we get different levels of pH. It has antioxidants. Again, with the ionizer we can actually define how many antioxidants in its charge the ionized water has at different levels. You can see it goes here up to minus 410 millivolt. It's measured as an ORP, which stands for oxidation reduction potential, which basically defines whether the water is oxidizing or has antioxidants. If it has a minus charge, which ionized water does, it is giving us the chance to reduce free radicals and therefore acts as an antioxidant. Furthermore, ionized alkaline water has got a smaller water molecule cluster size. It's about 3 times smaller than ordinary tap water, and therefore hydrates us much better than ordinary tap water or even bottled water. It has ionic minerals, and that helps us to take up more minerals, and also helps us to actually relate better to these fluids in the body. Therefore the mineral uptake is enhanced and they are more bioavailable. So now I would like to show you the different pH levels. pH 8.5, we are going to do some tests, and with a pH color indicator you will see in a moment that the ionizer performs beautifully. Now this is pH 9 that we're going to source. pH 9.5. And pH 10. So you can instantly see that there are different colors. Now this is a color chart. This is neutral. Anything that's bluish is alkaline, and you can see that's turquoise. That's 8.5, pH 9, 9.5, and pH 10. You can certainly see that this is going to purple and this is strongly purple. And here in the color chart you can also see that purple is the highest alkaline water. So we test now the tap water for pH. So we can see this is fairly neutral. When we look at the chart, it's about just a little bit above neutral, so it could be about 7.3, 7.5, somewhere in this region. So looking at all those samples here, this is very obviously more alkaline, as the chart says, 8.5 pH, 9. This is quite high alkaline with 9.5 pH and really high with pH 10. So the water ionizer works very well. So now we are measuring the ORP for tap water, and we can see here that currently the ORP reading is at 420 roughly. So now we measure the ORP of the ionized water. This actually is straight away a minus reading, and you can see that it's way up in the 300s. So it's a very good ionization that is going on here. And it's very different to the plus reading that we had with tap water. So this clearly means that ionized alkaline water has antioxidants in the water, whereas ordinary tap water does not, and therefore increases free radical count in the body, as opposed to ionized alkaline water that has a minus charge, reduces free radical count in the body. So by that it actually offers us stable oxygen into the bloodstream and into the cellular fluids. This gives us extra boost of oxygen, as in more energy, and that gives us also a boost in our immune system. I'm dunking these tea bags now in a similar fashion into the, on the left, tap water, on the right the alkaline ionized water. Already very obvious the difference. Ionized alkaline water on the right has drawn out the color of the tea, whereas on the left the tap water has not managed to do that. Very obvious, an indicator that ionized alkaline water has got much smaller water molecule clusters and therefore can enter tissues and membranes of cells much faster. You might wonder whether it is necessary to get a plumber to exchange the filters. No, it isn't. I'll show you how easy it is. You turn the machine so it's convenient for you to reach the side doors, and you open those. You can see on the top here that there is a little sensor, and it's like a little pig. We get that one off, and then we simply turn the filter and pull it out. As simple as that. And once we have the new filter, we stick it in and turn it the opposite direction. And then get the little pig back in, and then close the door. That's all.